This 2022 Forest River Solera 3.2 DSK is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 6, external shower, skylight, stovetop burner, slide-out, water heater, microwave, TV, LP detector, oven, carbon monoxide detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2022 Forest River Solera 3.2 DSK is built on a Ford 450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.